This is from Social Nature. It's an organic product testing company that I deal with. So, this time, I got some carrots here, first of all. And this is about Ocean Halo. And I get a free product of my choice, either broth or Asian food aisle. I also get, I got a bunch of coupons. That's what I got. I get it at Wegmans, so that's even better. So I got a coupon for buy one, get one free of organic no soy sauces. I got a buy one, get one free of certified organic deep sea water. I got a buy one, get one free of organic big bowl of noodles. Choice of certified organic seasonings. Seaweed. Organic noodle bowl. Organic vegan broth. Seaweed snack. Seaweed and organic noodles. So this is what all this is looking like. I don't know why. I'm going to get a free product of my choice. And then when I have some extras, I'm going to get this organic deep sea water. They say seaweed is good. I don't know. But these are stuff for I'm trying to save them all up and just go all at once. But of course, you know, they want you to run back and forth. I don't have no run back and forth money. So, no. But I'm going to go get this free one. I'm going to get this free one. And I'll probably have to get the sushi for free. I don't know, I'm not into the rices and ramen noodles and all that, but you never know. And I got this free coupon up to $5.99, so I'll probably go get the sushi off of this. And this just tells you it's sold at Whole Foods, Walmart, CVS, and Wegmans. So I'm hoping it's at Wegmans, then I don't have to go far. I could just get where I gotta get and go. I got some more coupons coming, so that is it. See you later.